you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the Glow Addict subscription box and skincare boxes for December 2019. I've been really enjoying Glow Addict. They are a more affordable subscription service that is fairly new. They feature a lot more indie brands in their subscription boxes as opposed to more well-known brands in IPSY and BOXYCHARM. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoy. Let's get into it. Ooh, I love these makeup brush cleaners so much, especially if you create a lot of eye looks. This comes in handy so much. I currently have one. I use it quite frequently. It gets dirty really easily, so it's nice to have a second one. It's gonna get so much use out of it without fully having to deep clean the brush. Ooh, something by Medusa's Makeup. That brand is fairly new to me. Oh no, the blush is broken. I hope they can send me out a replacement. I am making a mess. There's hot pink everywhere. That is no fun. Now that I'm covered in hot pink, let's move on to the rest of it. Hopefully nothing else in this box is broken. I see some eyelashes by Venus Gale Cosmetics. I received a pair of lashes from them in my October Try Beauty box. I really like them. And these are a little bit more dramatic. I'm excited for them. They might be a little bit too dramatic for my liking, but I'm excited to see how they look on my eyes because I don't have much lashes to begin with. They also included a little bit of eyelash glue as well. So in my opinion, that's really nifty to include with a pair of lashes in your box. We have a mascara by the brand Lash Boom. It's a high volume mascara. This is what it looks like. And this is what the wand looks like. I don't know. This mascara reminds me of a CoverGirl mascara. Wands look very similar and the packaging component looks similar. Based off the wand, it doesn't look that volumizing, but then again, I'm not trying it on my lashes. And then the last product is the Ruby May Cosmetics Brights palette. Oh no, there's a little crack in the corner, but I already have this palette. I have not used mine. I'll put it in this box. That way I can put it in a future giveaway for you guys. I'll take the cracked one. So let's do some swatches. LOL, bananas, goals, MOTD. Ooh, those are nice and creamy. Glam, iconic, snatched, boo. Sorry for the swatches looking a little bit weird on the arm, but overall, there's pigment all the way through. I'm a little concerned about the bottom row actually staining my eyes. I have a palette by them. I can't think of it off the top of my head. I got it in a Try Beauty box. There was 3 variations, but I recall that the blues, purples, and pinks stain my eyes. But aside from the blush being busted, I thought this was a really good box. We got an eye palette, a blush, mascara, lashes, and a brush cleaner. So I do find it very well balanced. I really hope that their customer service is on point. I will definitely keep you guys posted on my experience. Now let's unbox the skincare. This looks fun. We have by Piliani a natural radiance facial moisturizer cream made with pure pili oil. There's some bougie packaging up in here. What is this? This is bizarre. Well, looks like there's only half of it in there. It's a thicker cream. It soaks right in. It feels pretty hydrating. I would almost be a little bit concerned if it would leave a greasy feel to your face. My hand does feel hydrated after doing swatches on them. We have a, oh. Remember by the box by Fashionista, there was a serum for your V? Well, we have a gentle wash for that same V. It's supposed to cleanse, tone, and refresh. It's supposed to help maintain the pH balance as well as renewing and improving the beauty of this. We're gonna move on. I'm a mature adult. I'm a mature adult. I'm a mature adult. All right, we have an R2M Ready to Makeup Silk Fiber Illicit Foam Cleanser by the brand Kaylin. Okay, I've heard of Kaylin before. We've received some products from this brand in some other boxes. I'm not sure if I am going to use this or not. This actually might get set aside for a giveaway because I have so many cleansers right now. That way it doesn't go to waste, collect some clutter and dust. I'd rather it go to a loving home to one of you guys. And then Millennial Beauté has a jade roller. I actually have a jade roller. I don't use the one that I have, so this will also be set aside for a future giveaway. And then we have a Sephora brand, the primer mask. interesting. I've never seen Sephora brand in a subscription box before. I haven't used any of Sephora's skincare before, so we shall see. The skincare box seemed pretty well balanced. We have a cream for your V, a moisturizer, a mask, a jade roller, and a cleanser. A nice variety of products. Seems to be some good brands in here as well. These are my Glow Addict boxes. I would love to know if you guys get Glow Addict as well. Have you interacted with their customer service before? Was it positive, negative? I would definitely love to know your thoughts in the comments below because I am about to email them. I might DM them as well on Instagram. Maybe that will be a faster response. Let me know if you plan on getting Glow Addict in January 2020. Based off of their customer service will be the determining factor if I do continue with them. I have high hopes because I am enjoying this box. It's a little bit different with the brands that they feature, definitely more indie brands in both their skincare and their makeup box. So it's always fun to try new brands and indie brands as well. That's a goal of mine in 2020, to try more indie brands, get a little bit more familiarized with them because I think they're on the rise, honestly. Their releases seem to be interesting and it's giving the more mainstream, well-known brands a run for their money. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.